Hi guys, welcome back with me, Lord Chow Chow 2025 in Let's Learn the Excel. Today we're going to learn about Excel formula, especially the one that are used very often, and that is sum, count, average, max, min, and modus. We use this formula a lot because it's an aggregate function, and it's good for you if you don't want to pivot every single data. First is sum. We have this data here of Euro faction doctrine. This is leadership, war, intelligence, poll, charm, total, and what is whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna totaling all the data that are in this bracket. So the formula is use equal sum here, open bracket, and you choose any number you want. You're gonna sum it. Usually you could use plus, but it works wonder if you block a lot of them like this. It's gonna sum all the data here for leadership, war, intelligence. Next is count. Count is used to counting. So it's gonna count everything that you are blocking, but if it is a number, for example, it's gonna count this thing, but even if it's zero value. But if we delete this, it's gonna reduce to 989 because it's not gonna count blank. It's also not gonna count string. If you want to count string, you could use not count, but count A. We're gonna count string. Okay, we're not going to deep dive on count A. Average gonna use for averaging the data. It's very simple. It works like sum. Max. Gonna take highest number. Min is the same, but it's the lowest data. So everything is wrong. And last one is mode. It's gonna take data that are most often showing up. It's not averaging. It's literally take what data that show up a lot. We have like, if we make a bunch of data like this, mode gonna be 1. Okay, this one, it's showing up a lot, even though the average is still pretty good. Anyway guys, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and see you again on the next episode. Have a nice day.